Every homeowner will experience issues with their gutters or gutter protection in Muncie, Indiana at some point. But if you know how to spot and fix these issues, you can easily get your gutter system back on track in no time. For example, clogged gutters are the most common and easiest gutter issues to fix in Delaware County. Just grab a ladder, clear out the debris, and clean them twice a year. Throw in our LeafX gutter guards to help filter out any muck or small twigs, and you'll never have to climb a ladder again to clean your gutters. If your gutters are sagging, take time to check your hangers. They may be loose or spaced too far apart to support the weight of your gutters. You may need to install new hangers and space them out properly so your gutters get proper support. Check for holes if you see water leaking from your gutter. Small holes, use gutter sealant to caulk the inside of the gutter joint. Big holes, you'll probably need a patch kit. But if you're going to need to patch it, it's usually best to get a full replacement. A short downspout can be too close to your home, dumping water right next to your basement. Get some gutter extensions. With an extra 4 or 5 feet of downspout material, your gutters will drain like they're supposed to, away from your home. Need new gutters or gutter protection for your home in Muncie, Indiana? Call Clemens Home Solutions for a free consultation today.